I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to the Pursue You YouTube channel. Business shout out to Joshua Black 3D Printing. You can find him on Facebook. He makes all kinds of cool little Honda parts with his 3D printer. He's got a gauge relocator for the Hondas, a cool heads up display. He also makes a thing for the gas pedal problem with the Hondas. The Hondas have a super sensitive gas pedal. Now, it's called the Skinny Pedal Helper. He gave me one to try out. I typically don't have this problem because I run it in manual mode, but when I let other people drive in automatic mode, they run into this problem where their foot keeps bouncing off the gas and hitting it, and it jerks the hell out of you. So he made this thing called the Skinny Pedal Helper, which is bolts right down there into the floorboard, and you can rest your heel on it to hit the gas pedal. When I drive in manual mode, and I already plant my heel pretty hard. I'm gonna put that in and see if it helps out everybody that drives it. Yesterday we went down to Mile of the Wild. That's the video you guys are watching now. We got a good trip in store for you guys. Place that I've never been. Really big place down in Tennessee. I've already talked to some of you guys about it, and I am really looking forward to be down there to go riding. For now, enjoy this video. Thank you all for hitting that like button, and thank you all for subscribing. We're at Mile of the Wild for a diaper party / birthday party. There's a decent amount of people here. Typically at Mile of the Wild they do like birthday bash and Bubba Fest. Hey, go off that. Look like you dropped something back there.
Pre-putt. We're still in the pre-putt.
We're still in the parking lot.
He came straight through here and broke it. Didn't even come straight through here and break it.
You know, what's funny is I just did the bushings on my lower A arm. That's the same problem we're having now. I'm a Polaris boy, just trying to make it. Fuck you. I'm a Polaris boy. Hey, at least he lost this. I bet I can follow him wherever he goes.
That's right.
move that log again. That's a real steep hill. Even this hill. The bank behind me is probably like 6 feet tall. So you can put that in perspective on what that bank is. Thank you all for hitting that like button, and thank you all for subscribing. We'll see you in the next one.